We got one 2021 Suburban Z71 Signature. One of the hottest vehicles on the market. It's impossible to find. This one's only got 15,000 miles. Hi everyone, Carter, owner of Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, outaramaauto.com. I bought this from the original owner, clear Carfax, full factory warranty. It's been independently inspected. Yeah, it's next to new. It really is. We got the Summit White with the jet black interior, the Z71 package, signature package, so it's got the luxury pack, plus it's got the panoramic, heated leather front and heated leather captains in the rear, big touchscreen, got the HD surround vision, heated steering wheel, it's got the advanced or the cruise control with the it'll keep pace with you and keep you in the lane, all those good stuff. It's got the Pro trailering pack or the Max trailering pack. I forget what they call them. Remote start, keyless, you name it. Back here, we got the quads again. They're heated, they're power fold. Third row is power fold, so we got seating for 7. We're not one of these places that advertise low prices and have a million hidden fees. We have a $145 dock fee. That is it. If you come pre-approved for the financing or you want us to do the financing pre-approved, we can get you in and out in 20 minutes. We're not going to keep you at the dealership for hours of your life. My employees don't want to be here all day. We don't want to keep you here all day. Again, it's just awesome and possible to find. No stories. They just had a change in their life and needed to downgrade a little bit. So anyway, come and see it at Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota. outaramaauto.com, and we're going to send you home in this beautiful Summit White Z71 Suburban. You know, there's like a 2-year waiting list for a new one.